unboxing and a review with you guys of this vacuum. So one thing I wanted you guys to see the box of how it comes with a nice handle here. And so now let's go ahead and open it up. Here, and this is how it's going to start, is just by that button right there. And then in order to charge it up, all you're going to do is just take this and it actually goes right there, so you don't have to worry about extra batteries or anything like that. And it's also nice because it's going to come with the hardware for you to actually be able to mount it on the wall. And then this right here is actually how you're going to take off this top piece. So all you're going to do is just kind of pull that forward. Okay, so did you guys see that? So when I pull that forward, this part kind of lifts up, and then you're able to take that out. And it also comes with another filter as well if you wanted to be able to change that. And then again, you can just take that out to be able to clean it. So now let's go ahead and test it out. All right, you guys, so super easy to be able to use. I do like the fact that you're gonna get all the different attachments, which is gonna make it really easy. And then how you're gonna connect it is just super easy as well, just by like kind of matching everything up and just push it in. And then this button's gonna help it come off, okay? So let's go ahead and put it all in there. All right, let's go test out and see how well this works. I just got home from a indoor flag football game, and we have all these pieces. So let's see how well this picks it up.
I'll do it.
You wanna do it? All right. And then right here, you're gonna be able to hit it. All right. All right, do you guys see it picked up all of that stuff so well? Guys, so far, like, this worked so well. I was really impressed with how much that was able to pick up from the mat, but also just the ground. So super impressed with that. The other thing I hope you guys saw, it's really good because even kids are able to use it because it's gonna be very lightweight. All right, so let's now put this one in. All right, and let's see how good it is at the couches, because we do have 2 dogs, which means sometimes we get a lot of fur on there. Let's see on the steps. Now up in the playroom, and there's some Play-Doh all over, so let's see how well this one works here. You guys can see just look how strong that is. So I just got done testing out all the different pieces and highly satisfied with this. As you guys could tell, even when I was doing this one, when we were in the playroom and like having that mat, it was like coming up with it just because of how strong this suction is. And with it being cordless, you guys, highly recommend going out and getting it. And you guys, it made it really nice because he was able to vacuum super easy with it. And so this is going to be an amazing vacuum. Highly recommend it. So thank you guys for watching.